Hola clase! You already know how to conjugate AR verbs, so tonight we're going to talk about conjugating ER and IR verbs. I have a few ejemplos right here, such as Alfonso come mucho a la fiesta. Alfonso eats a lot at the party. Y nosotros leemos todos los días. Let's just talk about what an infinitive is once again. We remember our AR verbs, they mean obviously that the verb ends in an AR, but here are ER and IR verbs. And again, infinitive means it has not yet been conjugated. So comer ends in ER, beber ends in ER, salir ends in IR, and compartir ends in IR. These are ER and IR verbs. So when you hear me refer to verbs, that's where I'm getting them from. So let's take an ER verb. I'm going to use the ejemplo beber, which means to drink. Now I don't say I to drink coffee. I say I drink coffee. I conjugate all the time in English, so that's what we're going to talk about conjugating in Spanish today. So Pablo, por ejemplo, bebe agua. Y another conjugated verb, monta en bicicleta. So first things first, we're going to draw our six-pack for beber, to drink. Now we need to drop our ER, and then we are left with our root, just like AR verbs. Like dibujar, the root of that would be dibuj, because I dropped my AR. Same rule with ER and IR verbs. So beb is my root. And now I'm going to add in my endings for this verb. Yo bebo. Tú bebes. Él, ella, or usted bebe. Nosotros bebemos. Vosotros bebéis. And ellos, ellas, and ustedes beben. Repitámelo. Yo bebo. Tú bebes. Él bebe. Nosotros bebemos. Vosotros bebéis. Ellos beben. Now let's look at IR verbs. Yo voy a usar el ejemplo compartir. I'm going to use the example compartir. ¿Qué quiere decir? To share. Por ejemplo, María y Luna comparten un batido. María and Luna share a shake. Once again, we want to draw on our six-pack for the verb compartir. Then we want to drop our IR, which gives us our root, compart. What's nice about ER and IR verbs, which is the reason that we're learning them now, is because the yo, the tú, the él, and the ellos all have the same ending as ER verbs. It's only in the nosotros and the vosotros that they are different. So, yo comparto. Tú compartes. Él, ella, usted comparte. Here's where it's different. It's an IR verb, so it's going to be nosotros compartimos. Vosotros compartís. And now we're back to ER endings. Ellos comparten. Repitámelo, clase. Comparto. Compartes. Comparte. Nosotros compartimos. Vosotros compartís. Ellos comparten. Yo tengo 2 ejemplos para ustedes. Yo tengo el verbo vivir, que quiere decir to live. Por ejemplo, mi familia y yo vivimos en Costa Rica. My family and I live in Costa Rica. This is in the nosotros because mi familia y yo, that means we in English, so that's nosotros, or if you're a girl, nosotras. So I'm going to conjugate my IR verb for nosotros, vivimos. El segundo ejemplo, leer, to read. La profesora y los estudiantes leen un libro interesante. La profesora, los estudiantes would be they, the teacher and the students. So I'm conjugating for ellos, which is how I get leen un libro interesante. Adiós, clase. Hasta mañana.